John Bacon calling the balls and strikes. Next offering is a line shot past the third baseman for the Clippers. Juan Brito and out into left field. That's a clean single to start it. Next hat runner at second base. Now into the motion. That's hit hard on the third base side, and that's a fair ball. Just inside the line. That's going to score the game's first run, and it will be a double for Esmeralyn Valdez. The first inning. Checks the lead runner, goes to work, and gets a fly ball to left field right at Stuart Fairchild. He'll make the catch for out. And we've got another warning, and that's going to be a clock violation. For coming set too early. The pitch. Takes it up and in. Or it's a clock violation penalty. Next pitch is a called strike at the bottom of the zone, 2-1. 2-1 pitch. Bang to left field. That's going to get down for a base hit. They're going to wave Bazana around. Testing the arm of the left fielder. The throw is not going to get to the plate. Bazana scores standing. And Stuart Fairchild continues to hit the baseball. We're 3-3 here in the top of the second inning. Next pitch hit to left field. That's deep. Back on it. Fairchild still back. Makes the catch, reaching up for out number 3 to retire Callahan. Inning and a half in the books. 3-3 righty matchup. Fairchild, pretty upright stance. Swings at the first pitch. Hits it hard, but right at the third baseman. Davis Wenzel throws across the diamond to cut down the speedy. First pitch, ground ball left side. Through for a base knock. Fairchild just keeps doing it. Jones on to second base. Fairchild batting .480 for the Clippers here over the first 8 games of the season. Time is called, and it looks like that's going to be the end of the. Got the last out there. Pitched the fifth. First pitch and a line drive base hit into left field off the bat of Billy Cook. He's having himself a day. That's